Good morning! So magpalinis tayo sa harap guys kasi lalagyan dito ng sasakyan. So gawin to ng garage. So grabe kasukal na oh. Kailangan natin tong linisan. So andito yung mga kasama namin sa church para maglinis. Tinan mo yung sharpener guys. Charles. Ang bilis nila guys, oh. Ano lang, 5 minutes pa lang. Ah, kuya, maganda siya kuya kasi ang ilalim, ano na, malinis. Ano kayo? Oo. Doon sa may ano, mura lang 650 per ano, cubic. Doon sa kabila kay 950 kuya. Oo, merong 950, merong 650, kaya doon kami sa 650. Ang bilis nila guys, oh. So itong mga ano, mga nakat nila, bali lalagay ito lahat doon sa pinakadulo. Kasi walang tapunan dito guys, eh. Ano yung bahay na yun, inakyat na eh, hindi man lang nila nilinisan. Ang bilis. Nagdubli-dubli ang damit niya kasi daw marami daw langaw at lamok. Nagpalagay siya ng leggings. Time check, it's 9 o'clock, almost 9, no, Daddy?
I think so.
Renalyn is not home yet. After 10 minutes. Yan na, bilis nila.
Logging permit.
That's not a huge tree.
I don't even think they call that a tree. That's a bush, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not really a tree.
It just growed up big as a daggum tree. Hey, there's your airplane, Mitzi.
Bagay number ka na naman din sa page.
I'm a pilot.
Jade!
That's what I trained on at Cessna.
Lunch time sa ating masisipag na mga workers. So, meron tayong paksiw at nilaga. Kain! Guys, may snake, guys. Isa lang?
May asawa to. May itlog, oh.
Ah!
Asa ito, bro.
Cobra?
Iangat mo.
Huh? Cobra?
Yeah. American.
Woo!
Kill him? Yeah.
Ay, oo. Itlog, oh.
Ay, ay, ay.
May asawa to. Tandaan yung sibakin to. Ah, busog siya dyan.
Where's the snake? There you go, the snake, oh. There you go.
That snake bites you.
See that?
You don't play with snakes, you stay away from
There you
snakes.
go.
Bagong palit ng balat oh. Okay, doon. Nagis mo doon bro. Doon. Diyan, doon. Nagis mo na doon sa basura.
Takot. Last one, mag-cut na lang ng ano guys. Itong tree, tapos pahinga na sila. Tapos tatambakan to sa ano na guys, sa February.
Chain. Pull it out.
So guys, meron na tayong satellite na ano na ni Charles at sa mga kasama namin sa church. Ayun yung receiving dish niya. Yung katabi PLDT yan. Tapos punta tayo sa labas para makita natin yung kanyang satellite dish. So ito yung ating dish guys. Very fast. So how did we get our satellite again and how did we bring it here? How did you apply? So our viewers can also, you know,
We got online, you have to download.
get it.
We got online, you have to download the Starlink app onto your cell phone. And then from there, you can order the Starlink receiver. We were in the States when we ordered it, and it took about 2.5 weeks for us to get it. It was $599 US dollars for the receiver and all the equipment. Then once it arrives, then we set it up. Ours is on what they call an RV or traveling program.
Yeah.
So it's $130 US dollars a month. If it was stationary, which we will reassign it
US.
to here now that we're in the Philippines,
But if you put it in the US, it's not that expensive.
it's 110.
110.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, well, we used it as mobile because remember when we were traveling,
Yeah.
you move it around. If you leave it in one place, then it's 110. If you're mobile, it's 130.
30, yeah.
But so we put it up here, and it has to catch all the satellites and get caught up on the satellites. Once it's recognized as all the satellites, then we can turn it over to change the address to our Philippine address, and then it'll be registered in the Philippines. But you can, starting the middle of this year, the way we're reading everything, Starlink will be opened up here in the Philippines. They've got all the government approval and everything. They're just trying to get a few more satellites up in orbit, and then they will, in the middle of this year, 2023, they will start releasing where you can order. You can pre-order now,
Yeah.
and then they'll ship. I don't know what the price is going to be in the Philippines. I was told it was going to be less. How much less, I don't know. That's just kind of some of the guys on the YouTube channels talking.
So, did you check already the satellite signal
Yeah,
and
we're running
how
right
fast
now.
it is?
When we started it up, we was running about 12 megabytes up and 13 down.
And now?
And we're up to about 25, 30 right now. It just moved about
Yeah.
30 minutes ago in position. And they say it can take up to 4 or 5 days to learn the satellites. So we'll see what it does. I'll monitor it over the next few days to see what the speed is. But right now our PLDT is at 1.3 megs. So
Very
just when it
slow.
turned on at 13,
Yeah.
it's 10 times the speed that
Yeah.
nobody's getting off of there. So
Yeah. It's pretty cool, guys.
now, the reason we bought it is because of our farm. When we moved to the farm,
Yeah.
there is no internet out at the farm yet. Maybe a while before we get some.
Yeah.
So this gives us the ability to have internet at the farm.
Yeah.
But we put it up
And
here.
that's a great investment for us.
Yes.
Binulot namin
Yes.
yun. Binulot namin yung mga napuno, yung mga ugat.
This looks a lot
Wow.
different than it did at 8 o'clock this morning.
So ito guys, nilalagay lang yan dyan kasi tambakan naman siya. Ito yung mga lahat na basura galing dito sa front. Pero itong front na to, ididig pa to kasi gawin namin ng ano dito, drainage para sa pag-umulan. So ang problema namin ditong side kasi yung gate sa kabila nakaharang siya sa drainage. So ang gagawin namin, yung aming drainage gawa kami doon sa dulo.
It is.
Kami ni... Sige bro, ngayon na lang. Kami bro, saan na lang kayo magkikita? Kakapi muna kami. Sa barangay. Kapi tayo kapi. Saan ka na bro? Oo. Oo. Oo.